Yo, stop tapping your phone to pay for stuff. Credit cards are literally designed to bypass your brain's pain receptors so you stay broke. Neuroscience proved that paying with physical cash triggers the insula, the exact same part of your brain that processes physical pain. When you swipe plastic, your brain feels zero pain. So you end up dropping 30% more money without even realizing it. Healthy strategists use the 24-hour friction rule. Any non-essential purchase over $50 requires a mandatory 24-hour cooling period. By forcing a 24-hour delay, 80% of your impulse urges completely evaporate. You just saved hundreds for zero effort. Try the envelope barrier for discretionary spending. Once the physical cash in that envelope is gone, you're done for the week. Counting cash forces your brain to register the loss in real time. It's instant psychological friction against wasteful spending. Digital wallets made spending so seamless that your brain doesn't even know you're losing money until your rent check bounces. Step 1 to fixing this. Delete your auto-saved credit card info from your web browsers and shopping apps right now. Having to manually walk across the room and type in 16 digits kills half your online shopping sprees before you finish. I challenge you to leave your cards at home and use physical cash for all non-essential buys for 7 days. Watch how much leftover money accumulates in your account when you stop letting seamless taps drain your wallet. Behavioral economists have studied this for decades. Increasing friction reduces bad habits. Simple math, guys. Take back control of your impulse brain and stop letting marketing algorithms play you. When you control the friction, you control where every dollar actually goes. Physical money isn't outdated. It's your best mental defense weapon against inflation and overspending. No complex spreadsheet apps needed, just straight-up neurological friction. Are you brave enough to go 7 days cash only? Or are you too addicted to Apple Pay? Drop a comment below telling me if you're taking the 7-day cash challenge. Hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss our next science-backed wealth cheat code. Control your friction, protect your capital, and let's get this money. Catch y'all in the next video. Bye!